Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So today I have a Walgreens haul for you guys. These deals started today, which is September 15th, and they are good up until Saturday, September 21st. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay, you guys, so starting out on this particular account, I had a digital spin booster get $7 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35, and I also had a paper spin booster get $7 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35. I did two separate transactions, so all of the laundry products and oral care and the Gatorade is the first transaction, and then the rest is my second transaction. So in my first transaction, I have the Scope mouthwash, the two Crest Pro Health toothpaste, Tide liquid, Tide pods, Gain flings, and Gatorade. So first up, with the Tide, Gain, Bounce, Downy, select P&G products are priced at $5.49. The deal is when you buy 4, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So you're going to want to purchase 4 at $5.49, and that's going to bring your total to $21.96. We do have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Tide liquid, a $1 digital for the Tide pods, a $1.50 digital for the Gain flings, and also a $1.50 digital for the Bounce dryer sheets. So that's a total of $5 in digital coupons. So $21.96 minus the $5 in digital coupons, that brings the total down to $16.96. And then you will receive back a $5 registry reward. I did receive my $5 registry reward. I received all of my registry rewards in this transaction, but I did use them in another transaction, but I will insert a picture to show you guys that they did print off. So with receiving back that $5 registry reward, it will bring the total down to $11.96 for all 4 products. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these Gatorade thirst quenchers, and these are priced at Walgreens at 2 for $5. There is a $1 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. That brought the total down to $4. And then over on IBOTTA, there is a $1 rebate when you buy 2, bringing the total down to $3 for both, or it makes each one $1.50. And then I grabbed 2 of the Crest Pro Health Advanced toothpaste and 1 bottle of the Scope Classic mouthwash. So the toothpaste is priced at $5. The mouthwash is priced at $5.50. Now, initially I was going to grab 3 of the toothpaste, but I saw at the time that my IBOTTA account had a $1 rebate for the Scope mouthwash, but when I went to go and submit my receipt, completely gone. The rebate disappeared. There wasn't an expiration date on it or anything. It was just no longer on the app. So I don't know what that was about. But anyway, toothpaste $5, Scope mouthwash $5.50. So total for all 3 products is $15.50. There is a 5 off of 3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. All of these products qualify for that coupon, but for some reason my digital coupon did not come off for me. But $15.50 minus the $5 digital coupon brought the total down to $10.50. And then I did receive back that $5 registry reward, bringing the total down to $5.50. And then I went ahead and I submitted my receipts over to IBOTTA, and I got back a total of $5 back for both of the toothpaste, bringing my total down to just 50 cents for all 3 products. But again, this would have been a moneymaker of 50 cents if I would have gotten the $1 back from the Scope mouthwash. So that is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. So now let me go ahead and show you all my receipt. So there's the Crest Scope mouthwash at $5.50, both Gatorade at 2 for $5, Tide pods $5.49, Gain flings $5.49, Bounce dryer sheets $5.49, Tide liquid $5.49, and then both of the Crest toothpaste at $5 each, so $10 total. The point coupon purchase is for my paper spin booster. In this transaction, I did use a total of $16 in registry rewards. The $150, both of the $150 for my Gain flings and my Bounce dryer sheets came off. Both of the $1 for the Tide products came off. But as you can, and then also my $1 for the Gatorade came off, but my $5 digital did not come off for the toothpaste and the Scope mouthwash. So it brought my subtotal to $20.46, but of course I used $16 in registry rewards, so I have to add those back in. So $20.46 plus the $16 in registry rewards brought my actual total to $36.46. I got back a total of $15.09 back from Walgreens cash rewards, $7 for my digital spend booster, $7 for my paper spend booster, and then the rest from the Walgreens everyday points. That brought my total down to $21.37. And then I got back the two $5 registry rewards, the 5 for the P&G products, well, the 5 for the Tide, Gain, and Bounce, and then the 5 for the Crest and Scope. That brought my total down to $11.37. And then I got a total of $6 back from IBOTTA, $5 for the Crest toothpaste, and then $1 for the Gatorade. So that brought my total down to $5.37. And then I did contact a customer service and let them know that my $5 digital didn't come off. They did go ahead and credit my account with $5. They actually credited my account with $7 because in my second transaction, one of my Rimmel coupons didn't come off and it was a $2 digital, so they just credited me $7 to my account. I will insert a picture. So $5.37 minus the $5 from customer service, that brought the grand total down for this transaction to just 37 cents. So this was a really good transaction, you guys. So now moving on over to my second transaction, I got 3 of the Rimmel lip products, the Suave coconut deodorant, and a bag of the Tootsie fruit chews. So with the Rimmel, they are on a promotion, buy 2 get 1 free. So I purchased a total of 3 of them, and they are $4.99 in store. So 2 rang up $4.99, the other one rang up free. So not $4.99 times 2 is $9.98. I had a $3.50 digital off, $3.50 off of 1 digital, and a $2 off of 1 digital. So that's a total of $5.50 in digital coupons. So $9.98 minus the $5.50 in digital coupons brought my total down to $6.48. I got back a total of $6 from IBOTTA because IBOTTA has a rebate for $2. I think the limit is 3 and maybe 5, but I got back a total of $6 for that. And then I also had a 10-cent rebate, so I got back a total of $6.10 total, bringing my total down to, making my total completely free, plus a $1.62 moneymaker. Now, the Rimmel is still pending on IBOTTA, but I will insert a picture to show you guys, and I'm pretty sure I'll get that credited to my account before the day is over. And then for the bag of candy, no coupons for that one, but that one is just $2.50. And there are other choices that you can choose from this week with the candy. This is the deal of the week. And then lastly, I grabbed the Suave Coconut Kiss deodorant, and this is priced at Walgreens for $1.49. There is a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, making this just 49 cents. So here is my receipt for this one. Both of the Rimmel, one up at $4.49, the third did ring up free. The candy $2.50, the Suave deodorant $1.49. So as you guys can see, only 2 digital coupons came off. The $3.50 for one of the Rimmel, and the $2 did not come off, and then that $1 is for the Suave. So my subtotal is $9.47. But then I will be getting back $6.10 from IBOTTA, bringing my total down to $3.37. And then again, contact the customer service, and they did credit my account with the $2 for the other Rimmel product, bringing my grand total down for this transaction to just $1.37. So between both transactions, my first transaction was a cost of 37 cents, and then in this second transaction, it was a cost of $1.37. So when you add those two together, it makes all of this just $1.74. So all of this for less than $2 is a super fantastic deal, you guys. So that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section what you all are getting this week from Walgreens. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. Once again, I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next one.